Hey guys, what's up? So today's makeup is this Korean kind of girl makeup. So I see a lot of inspired makeup, also many Instagram reels on Korean makeup looks. So I have already tried few and I am trying again. And first of all, before doing makeup, skin preparation is really important. So always start with a moisturized and hydrated base. Just don't use a cream, rather try to use a toner, then afterwards a cream. I'm also using a cream which is really cheap and everyone can get that. Also, this cream is really hydrated. I always try to say you guys that don't really run after the word moisturizing. Try to run after the word hydrating, because oils you can apply from wherever, but hydration is the key. So after doing the skin prep, I'm not priming my skin today because I'm staying at home. I am starting with my foundation and I am applying with my hand. I also want to say that blending your foundation with your hands melts the product more beautifully. So when you do it with your brush, it will sometimes look cakey or flaky, but when you do your foundation and concealer with your fingers, which is the best brush in the world, blends quite nicely. So try the trick. If you get the good results, thank me later. But it's your day, your look, so whatever you want to prepare you can do that. But I want to blend this look today quite nicely, also want to look really like skin like, so no brush can do that. Also, if I want to do go with beauty blender, the beauty blender will suck the moisture and hydration from my face. So not doing that, skipping that, and just having my hands on my face. Then I am using a powder. So powder for today, we are gonna set our whole face with it. So apply the powder all over your face, and if you somehow apply too much, doesn't matter, just swipe it up later. And yeah, that's it for my base. We can now go on to the eye part. I am using eyebrow pen. I always use is from Etude House, and this color is kind of a brown based black, so it will be nice to have on your eyebrows because it will look natural if you use kind of brown and black mixed things. Also, try to do your brow straight. Now I am going with my eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a brown orangish color to do my eyes shadows. So I'm basically lining my eyes a little wider than it is. Actually, if I want to tell you what I want, what I did is basically shaping kind of a fish, a big fish. So I hope you can relate to me, because this kind of eye techniques look like a fish if you see it from really closely. So because I have used a orange kind of color, I am, so as you can see, I have again drew on it with a black color. So try to be really gentle and blend the products really nicely, so not only a single color will stand out from that. Also, I am doing my egg yolks under my eyes. Just look under your eye fat and draw that. Now here I am lining my eye socket with the same black and brown mixed color, and it is like just highlighting my double lids, so it will feel like a more bigger eyes. So only that I have done here, no extra eye makeup here. So after that we need to apply a liner. So I will always suggest you guys to apply a brown liner first for the border, so you don't get messed out with the black liner. And also you can do false lashes with your liner in your under eyes. After you are done with your liner, try to apply lashes, because lashes really changes your whole look, doesn't matter what look it is. Also focus on your middle and inner corner, don't apply the lashes on outwards, because if you have longer lashes on your outer corners, it will feel more sexy. But if you have longer lashes on your inner and middle portions, it will look more cuter. I hope I can make you understand. Also, I'm using now a glitter color. A glitter color is always important for a cute or Korean makeup look. So with that glitter color, I am going to highlight my eyebrows, the fat under which we highlighted, and this will highlight the area and make your eye fat more proper, like a egg yolk. Also, if you have dark circles under there, don't forget to color correct before, otherwise the sparkles will make the circle more prominent. Now I have done my face contour, basically how I do it. Also, don't break your cheeks here, just do the contour naturally. Don't like do a ear to lips kind of line for contour, because it will break your cheeks and make it look sexy, which we don't want. Also, I am going to do my eye makeup again with the glitter shadow, and I'm highlighting my inner lashes, so it will like make the eye more sparkly and opening. Now I'm using a blush color. This is from Nika, and this needs to be blending more and more. Apply it randomly, it will look cute no matter what. Then I'm using a highlighter from Swiss Beauty. This is the liquid highlighter in the pearl shade, and I'm highlighting these points, which is my nose and cheek areas and my bridge of the nose. And you can apply it on your chin, brow bones, usually wherever you highlight. Then start to blend everything really nicely. No need to blend too much the nose tip highlighter, just blend it a little bit. Then I am doing my lipstick, and it will be done. So this is how I look. However, I changed the lipstick later, and I have linked that one below, and every product is linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.